Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best plant watering can on the market, the IMEEA Gold Watering Can. Whether you're caring for indoor plants, bonsai trees, or even orchids, this beautifully designed and practical watering can is perfect for the job. Let's start by talking about the design. The IMEEA Gold Watering Can is made from durable stainless steel with a striking gold exterior that adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Its compact size makes it ideal for small indoor plants, and its sleek design will seamlessly blend into any office or home decor. It's not just functional, but a piece of decor on its own. Now, let's talk about precision. This watering can features a long and narrow spout, which gives you the control you need to water your plants with ease. It allows you to target the roots of your plants without splashing water on the leaves or soil. This is especially useful when you're tending to delicate plants or smaller pots where you need accuracy. At just 15 ounces or 450 milliliters, this watering can is the perfect size for smaller plants, such as those on your desk, windowsill, or in your office. The size ensures that you're not overwatering, but it also holds enough water to take care of a few plants at a time. Its small capacity makes it easy to store and manage, without taking up too much space. But don't let the size fool you. This watering can is built to last. The stainless steel construction means it's durable and can withstand regular use. Whether you're watering your indoor garden or bonsai trees, this can is designed to last for years while maintaining its beauty. It's also important to note that the long spout makes watering easy even in those tricky spots where your plants might be nestled. Whether you're trying to water a plant in the middle of a crowded shelf or need to avoid wetting nearby surfaces, this can does the job without any fuss. If you're looking for a practical, durable, and stylish watering can for your plants, the IMEEA Gold Watering Can is the best choice. Not only will it help keep your plants healthy, but it'll also add a touch of elegance to your indoor gardening setup. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in purchasing the IMEEA Gold Watering Can, be sure to check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product critiques like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.